Hello friends, this is Vijay. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share information about the MLM industry, which is called as multi-level marketing. Friends, few days back, one of my closest friends told me that we would need to go to a function, and then there would be many people at that function, and we will be discussing about a business proposal. I asked him what is all about this function. He did not give me any information about that function. Then we went to the function. The minute I entered the room, it was a big hall. The minute I entered the room, there were many people in that big hall. Some of them were wearing tie, and they were roaming here and there. There was lunch at that function. After the lunch, there was these chairs put there, and we sat on one of the chair. And then there were a couple of people who were coming on the stage, and they were introducing about themselves. Now this is only my perspective. I am not against the MLM industry. This is just my perspective. Now as they were introducing about themselves, they were telling that I have earned 8 crore rupees, I have earned 10 crore rupees in 5 years, in 4 years I have earned 4 crore rupees, I was just working as a small clerk and then I grew to a big businessman in this MLM industry. One of them said that I was working as a sweeper and then I grew in this MLM industry, and now he earns about 10 crore rupees a month. I was a bit skeptical about this. I was not going to buy this crap. After the function, after everyone had introduced themselves, my friend came to me and then he explained me, he gave me a few more details about the MLM industry. It's like a pyramid. You would need to join 2 people under you, then 2 people will join 2 more, and then 2 more, and then that's how you create a pyramid. And then you start earning. Now this was the scheme that you will start earning and you don't want to do, and there is no need for you to do anything once you have a couple of people under you, and many things were there. Now when I came home, I started searching about the MLM industry. I started reading about the blogs, I watched videos, and then I came to a conclusion that in MLM industry you would need to buy some or the other product from the company every month, and then you would need to sell that product, and then that's how you earn money. That's how the people under you earn money. Now there is just 1% of the people at the top line who are successful, and that too they are living in a complete stress. There are many parties, there are many gatherings in MLM industry. Now when you go to such type of gathering, you will see everyone excited, everyone is so excited that you will doubt, oh my god, how are these people excited? Now there is only one motive behind their excitement, is to bring you in that business, catch you in the trap of MLM, so that you can bring them more business. At that time you are not able to understand or think of anything. You are so overwhelmed by this light, so many people telling about themselves, so many success stories, it's about sales and everything, that you're not able to think about anything. But once you join the MLM industry, you start losing your friends. It's all conditioned. Whoever you talk to, your family, your friends, they will have a doubt that yes, he has something in his mind. He wants to make them a part of the MLM industry. That's how you start losing your friends and everything. So my perspective about MLM industry is that it's worst. I mean, I would rather never join an MLM industry and fall into the trap. It's like, also I had seen one of the videos in which they have said that top 1% who earns in the MLM industry, they are in constant stress. Many of them have gone to the hospital, have been admitted to the hospital due to this stress. So I mean, my conclusion is that MLM industry is not good according to my perspective. I'm really waiting for your perspective. Signing off now until we meet again. Thank you very much.